Good day traders, in today's video we are going to quickly take a look at Bitcoin price action for the week ahead. Right now you see the Bitcoin price action has currently broken down after sweeping the low here. After sweeping this low, we swept the low to 57,900, $58,000 region, and ever since then we've been trying to reclaim that region, and currently on my screen you see we are currently breaking down below the daily horizontal support level. Now I have to take off this level because it's no longer valid. Price has touched it. So looking at the screen, we see we have a price location at 57,900 region, 57,956. That is a possibility for price to take out before bouncing to the upside. So if price takes this level out now, my next level of long would be 57.1, from 57.5 to 57,000, 57.1. I would be interested in taking a long from there if I see a bullish reaction. Then if the price continues to break down, this level is open up to $54,000 region, which is this price point. $54,400 to $54,000 region. That level is still open up to that point. So within this huge range now, I'll be looking for a bullish reaction. And now the reason why I chose this region is because we have some confluence left there, because we have some weekly and monthly naked point of control there. As you can see at 57.9, there is a monthly naked point of control at that region, and that is why I'll be more interested in this level, because that is a very high level key, higher time frame key level. It's worth paying attention to. Now going to daily time frame, that's for the bigger time frame swing look. Now going to normal day trading. So as you can see, we had a last week low at 57,976 thereabout, and slightly below it is a daily naked point of control. Do not forget, if price fails to react from this region, this is a daily zone I'll be interested in taking trade, because let me change this. So I'll be interested in taking a long trade from here, because this is support and resistance style of trading. This is simply support 1, then we have a deviation below the support around here, and now after reclaiming the support, it's normal to bounce on the support level and keep going higher. So if price continues lower, my first area of long trade where I'll be interested in would be this region from $59,200 region, and put the stop loss below the entire range low. Then where would I target? The immediate daily naked point of control. So this trade setup is 1 to 2 risk to reward. And why would I be targeting there? The reason why I'll be targeting there is because we have a high and a low, and currently price has been ranging within this region. Price has been ranging, so I can now play the range with this region being my range high, oh yeah, be my range high, and then previous week low be my range low. So if price continues bounce from this region, price bounce from this region, and go higher, this is where I will close the trade and pay attention to any bearish reaction around the daily naked point of control, which is also in confluence with this region, this supply here. This is a range there, and that is a level to pay attention to. Perhaps at the end of the day, price does something like this, react, bearish reaction, enter the trade, then I'll target the mid of the range, the mid range. Then if we break below the mid range, I'll target the range low. So that will be my trade plan for the week ahead of us. So, and I also, yeah, so that's all I have. I think that's all I have for Bitcoin. And I think let's see, group one. So you see we're currently breaking down from that region, and after breaking down from points of control, taking the volume profile from this range to the current price action, you see the value area low is in confluence with this previous support region. So that is why I will be much interested in this region, and pull the fib from this low to the high that was created. You see it's also in perfect confluence with the golden pocket, value area low, golden pocket, previous supply, also support, now deviation below the support. And now if we backtest it and I see a bullish reaction, I would activate the trade there. So that's that for Bitcoin. And if we keep, although there are levels to the upside, and we also have a lot of levels to the downside, and if we break above, if we start reacting, and first area of interest will be, let's not forget this this supply box here, because it's also a previous value area low in confluence with previous support, and also in perfect confluence with a downtrend anchored view. Were pulled from this high. Let me pull my anchored view up. Well, let's pull it. Yeah, so 61 to 61.3 up to this region. We also pay very good attention to this price location, then up to this location. As soon as you get a bearish reaction, I'll take the trade. So that's all I have for Bitcoin. Next in line would be Solana. Solana has been developing a quite interesting price action, and currently we are breaking. If we lose this value area low now, we are going to break down to if we lose the value area low on Solana, the next area of interest for me would be after taking out this low, grabbing the liquidity from this low, of this grabbing this low liquidity. And if you pull the fib retracement from this low that was created on Friday up to the high, you see it's in perfect confluence with the golden pocket. So now, although price has reacted from the golden pocket previously, and we could react from this region one more time and go higher. And then, although this movement here looks corrective, and corrective structure are usually A, B, C, Solana could take off from here to continue the second leg of the impulsive structure. Then if you start breaking down, the next area of interest for me would be this daily horizontal support level at 67.68, which is this region, and stop loss goes to the value area low, and that would be a liquidity grab of this low right here, previous week low. Previous week low is also known to be a liquidity region, so if I take it out, I don't need this fib retracement anymore. The next fib retracement that matters now would be from this overall low to the high, and you see the golden pocket is in perfect confluence with the daily horizontal support level, and grabbing this liquidity, this low, taking out this liquidity would be an interesting level. If I see a bullish reaction, I would take a long trade on Solana and target the range high, which will be this. That's about 1 to 7 risk to reward. That's Solana, 1 to 7 risk to reward. So that's that for Solana. And don't forget, Solana, whatever Bitcoin does, Solana does the same thing. Solana, Ethereum, whatever Bitcoin does, they also follow the same direction. And I love to trade Solana very much, but I see it as a crypto Nasdaq. The structures are well respected, and there is limitless opportunity when you trade Solana, but you have to know what you're doing to trade Solana, because it can very much wipe you out if you don't manage your risk properly. So that's all I have for crypto, Bitcoin, and that for the week ahead. So these were the trades that was given in advance last week. So last week trade that was given in advance last week Friday, gave this short setup on Friday, and also gave this long setup on the VIP Discord. So if you want to join, go to the website, the link is there. So took the short, took the long, and that's that for that. The Solana trade I was given, the level didn't quite hit the long on Solana, although we did took some short on Solana. So that's that for that. So guys, that's all I have for the Bitcoin weekly outlook. My network is quite bad, so do not forget that whatever I give here, this is my approach to trading. Do not take it in any way as a financial advice, and if you like this style of trading, you can go to the website. The link will be in the description. And don't forget to always trade responsibly. Always use your stop loss. Do not risk more than what you can afford to lose. That is trading for you. Do enjoy the rest of your week, guys.